take for sure. Look at that. That was cool. Well, this is where I'm at so far in this stuff. Picking out pieces. Okay. Okay, now this is the perfect piece for a leg on a sofa server table. I'll have to find out what it is. It looks like cypress or black walnut. Alright, here's some more pieces. There isn't any way that I'd be able to work this stuff here, so I'm just going to have to take what'll work for this table and then live with it. Walnut?
Old growth cypress, and all that cypress. Really.
Old growth cypress here. This is like high quality cypress. It's tough to get. He said these were from the river bottom, like you're laying at the bottom of the river. That would be Mississippi.
As
You can see there's a lot of cool stuff here. It's just that I can't do much with it, you know, because I don't have planers or anything like that. So this one they just poured. How long ago did you pour that?
a couple hours.
4 hours?
That's some
Okay.
Becky with the finish on it.
Oh, wow.
Those are dry. You can touch those.
Is that one coat yet?
No, that's probably what, 5 coats?
That's 5 coats.
5 coats would be hot. 2 board parts.
So I'm at Live Edge Supply in
Vidalia, Louisiana.
Vidalia, Louisiana, which is right across the Mississippi River from
Natchez, Mississippi.
Natchez, Mississippi. And so it's only like 5 miles away from where we're camping. And here's what I found. This guy has a lot of cool stuff. This is cypress. These are cutoffs, or you know, the bin that they're going to basically throw away, right? Cypress, black walnut. No, this is cypress as well, but it's kind of thin. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use it. This is from a reclaimed. This is from a house. This is cypress again, and then it has this, you know, all this stuff, and I forgot. It's not caused by bugs. It's caused by fungus. That's a fungus, right? But this one even has the shell of bugs in it. Now this one is probably from bugs, but that's reclaimed from a building. A piece of black walnut that he had that is like 8/4, and it's got some cool stuff on it. And that's going to be the leg for my sofa server. More black walnut. This is the kind of stuff that we would have from like in Wisconsin. I mean, this is more typical of there. And then some more cypress. Okay, so these are all that's like 3/4-ish. This one again 3/4, and this is, I forget what they call it, like bottom or sand cypress or something. This is stuff that was down on the bottom of the river for up to 100 to 200 years, and it was cut with an axe, you know, all that time ago. And this is stuff that the trees fall off of the boats or the barges or whatever. They go to the bottom and then they sit in the sand for 100 to 200 years. So that's the kind of stuff that I was able to get.